Hey guys, what's up? V Worldwide here, coming at you with a different type video today. So, what I have here is the Gear S3. I know the Galaxy Watch just came out. I just got the Frontier about 6 months ago. Can't really afford the Galaxy Watch right now, but I'm going to show you how to freshen this watch up. You know, add a little more flash to it. You know, if you still have the S3 and you can't quite afford the Galaxy Watch yet. So here we go. So what I did here is I have the classic watch band, the black. What I did was I went out and purchased, well, I actually went online and I purchased this, and I'll put the link in the description below. Yellow. Now hold on. I know it's a little bright, but check this out. I'm going to add a new watch face to it, and I'm going to show you how to make this look like new. Just give me a second here. So what you do is, on the back of the watch, you pull these little pins. I'll also put the link to the watch face I have on here also. So it's like that. The other side here, little pins in there. See that? Put this in here. This is a really nice watch. I love the S3. I'm gonna do my 6-month review on it here shortly. And I know, again, the Galaxy Watch just came out. Check that out. Look at that. It may not be for some people, but I mean, it's nice. Looks pretty flashy. And check this watch face out. And tell me that this does not set this off. Check this out. Look at that. With the yellow. That is nice. I call that the bumblebee. So there you go. Again, I'll put down, I'm going to put in the description below where you can get these bands from. They have blue, purple, green, you know, whatever floats your boat. I just thought I'd give you another option, you know, instead of going out spending another, what, $400 on a new Galaxy watch. You just freshen your old Galaxy S3 Frontier up. New band, hit it up with that watch face. Please like, comment, subscribe below. Tell me what you think of that watch face, if you like it or not. I think it's pretty fresh, but hold on. There you go. Galaxy S3 Frontier. Bam. Thanks for watching, guys. This is V, and I am out. There it is on my arm right there. Check that out. That is nice, man.